Jersey number 8, jersey number 13, jersey number 9, and jersey number 28. And now let's go. First five for Mighty David. Okay, first five. Let's go.
Hello, mic test. Okay, first five, Mighty David. Jersey number 9, Eugenio. Jersey number 21, Paro. And jersey number 99, Atarwala. And jersey number 4, Sawaya. And jersey number 11, Colena. Okay, good luck, both team.
Jump on the three. At Lambayan and Colena, first possession, Mighty David. And still by Rohit. Pass it through. Ajay, let's go 2 points. Ajay Glacier. Here's Colena. Matras sa tres. Short rebound. Here's comes number 8. Outer pass to Placer. Nice pass by Rohit to
Jersey number 2, Ian Devia.
Paro drive. Follow up. Wala. Rebound by Rohit. Rohit. Straight to the basket. Pushing the 11. Miss the shot. Follow up number 9. And now it's got number 4. Pass to number 99. Atarwala. Left hand. Too strong. Nice rebound by Paro. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio to Paro. And steal by Rohit. First time Rohit. Pass to Eneroso. Eneroso drive. Correct for 2 points.
Jersey number 8, Eneroso.
6-0 runs agad para dito sa Young Vikings. Another steal. Here's time Rohit drive.
Jersey number 28, Rohit.
Sawaya, 2-on-1. G-Drums, connect for 2 points.
Jersey number 4, Sawaya.
Here's come LJ, bringing down the ball.
Score.
Even take by Rohit.
8-2.
14 shot clock. Rohit, underneath to Lambayan. Mr. Shot, but Rohit is still.
Jersey number 28, Rohit.
Score 10-2.
10-2. 8-4 lead, Young Vikings. Here's time Eugenio to Sawaya using the glass. Connect for 2. Here's Placer, slowly bringing down the ball, setting the play for Young Vikings. Pass to Rohit. Rohit, pass to Lambayan. Lambayan, turn around, fires. Missed the shot, rebound by Atarwala. Here's Atarwala, bringing down the ball. Carried by Rohit. To Sawaya. Sawaya, 3 drives. Missed the shot, rebound by LJ. Here's LJ, bringing down the ball. Almost an intercept for Sawaya. Eneroso, 14 to shoot, running shot, fires, connect for 2.
Jersey number 8, Eneroso.
This comes Sawaya, pass to Eugenio, short rebound by Nikia, pass to LJ. This comes LJ, looking for his teammates, setting the play for Young Vikings. Pass to Rohit. Strong to the basket, short rebound by Colena. Pass to Sawaya. Here's comes Sawaya. Drive. Missed the shot. Rebound by Digia. Pass to Rohit. Rohit. Spin. Using the left hand. Almost. And ball goes to Atarwala. To Eugenio. Pull-up jumper. Connect for 2 points. The score is 12-6. 6-point lead by Young Vikings. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Here's come LJ. Pass to Rohit. Rohit. Harassed by Eugenio. Pass to LJ. Guarded by Sawaya. And a steal by Gulela. Gulela. Nice pass to Sawaya. With that for 2 points. Here's come LJ. Pass to Lambayan. Generoso rather. To Rohit. Rohit. Nice pass to Lambayan. In and out. Defensive rebound to Gia. Getting a foul on jersey number 99. Atarwala. Atarwala. That was her first personal foul. First team foul. Mighty David. 2 shots for De Gia. First throw. Missed the shot. Second throw. Too strong. Rebound by Sawaya. Pass to Atarwala. Atarwala. Spin. Pass. Basket time. That's a foul on jersey number 18. First personal foul, number 18. First team foul, Young Vikings. Bonus shot. Completing the 3-point play, 12-1, down to 1-point lead for Young Vikings. Rohit has the ball, pass to LJ. LJ from the corner, too strong, passive rebound. De Gia, 10 to shoot. De Gia fires, too strong, passive rebound. Rohit with that for 2 points. Timeout, Mighty David.
Score 14-11, Young Vikings. 14-11.
Okay, back to the movie. Colella on the inbound. Pass to Sawaya. Sawaya. And nice steal. Just comes number 9 and then Rosso connect for 2 points. Magbayad pala yan, sorry. Magkakamukha kasi. Hindi na yung size.
Generoso.
There's come LJ, pass to Rohit. Pass to Generoso. To De Gia. De Gia, 14 to shoot. 3 points. Rebound by Colella. Colella, slowly bringing down the ball. Behind the back, pass to Atarwala. Too strong, rebound by De Gia. Pass to LJ. LJ, pass to Rohit. Rohit, nice drive, but misses. Here's come Colella. And out of bounds. Here's come LJ on the inbound. Pass to Generoso. Still 11. High-point lead, Young Vikings. Generoso, 14 to shoot. Pass to De Gia. De Gia, 10 seconds to shoot. De Gia going sama the pass. 5 to shoot. LJ. Missed the shot. Rebound by Colella. Here's come Colella. Pass to Dula. To Eugenio. Eugenio, running shot. 16-13, 3-point lead, Young Vikings. LJ, pass to Rohit. Rohit open for 3. Bang! Rohit for 3. Atarwala, double team. Getting the pass to Colella, to Sawaya. Sawaya, losing the ball, pass to De Gia. De Gia to LJ. come LJ. Looking for his teammates, Master Rohit. Rohit fakes. Back to Mr. Shot. Rebound. Negaroso. Patlambayan rather.
Naroso.
Sub-rep shot. Okay, Rohit and De Gea will rest Javier and number
Nalilit po
17.
sa Madlang Bayan siya kahit ni Rosa.
LJ, dribbling the ball to Javier, 10 to shoot. Javier, little bit first shot. At wala, pass break to Sawaya. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 19-15, 4-point lead. LJ to Javier. Javier pitch, and there's a whistle. Traveling. Kulela time out to Atarwala to Sawaya. Sawaya. Stop again. Tawa by Kulela. So release. Ball goes out. Young Vikings ball. LJ, open for 3, too strong. Ferrer, offensive rebound, Mr. Shot. Rebound by Eugenio. Eugenio bringing down the ball. And still, Tula, almost tawa by Sawaya for the 2 points. 19-17, 2-point lead, Young Vikings. Ferrer, pass to LJ. LJ, harassed by Sawaya. 14 to shoot. Perez. Ating batag last. Eugenio. Crystal Sawaya. For the tie. Get up for 2 points. Deadlock. All lucky. Here's come Perez. Pass to Eneroso. To Fabier. To LJ from the corner. LJ for 3. 55 seconds. Here's Tula. All alone. Get up for 2 points. 50 seconds. Here's number 17 to number 18. 2 points. Number 18. Hernandez. Here's Kulela. Sawaya, number 4. Foul, so strong, and getting a foul. 2 shots, foul on number 17. Ferrer, that was your first personal foul, second team foul. Young Vikings, 2 shots for number 4, Sawaya. First throw, 24-22, down to 2-point lead for Young Vikings. Second throw. 2 out of 2 for Sawaya. 23 seconds remaining. No more shot clock. 23-point lead for our game clock. 20 seconds. Ferrer harassed by Eugenio. 15 seconds. And it's steal by Sawaya. Here's comes Sawaya. 10 seconds. Kulela for 2. Chase Pepper. 1-point lead. 5 out of bounds, same ball, 2.9 seconds remaining.
Come on, first corner.
2.9 seconds, 2.9. Here's Javier, number
Score 25-24, Mikey Davis.
Okay, let's go. Here's come number 8, Generoso on the inbound. Pass to number 10, Evangelista. Back to Generoso, number 8. To number 55, losing the ball. A whistle, foul from behind. Number 55. That was your first personal foul. Still foul, Young Vikings. Colelia on the inbound. Received by Atarwala. Yes, come Atarwala. To Dula. To Colelia underneath. And ball goes up. Touches the shoes. Colelia. Cover shot. Evangelista on the inbound. Pass to Ferrer, back to Evangelista, number 10. Pass to Rohit, number 28. To Javier, number 40. Javier to Yuwa from the corner, short. Rebound, Kulela, pass to Sawaya, number 4. Sawaya is not in the basket, and the holding foul was called on number 17, Ferrer. Ferrer, that was your second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Javier will rest, will replace by number 4, Al Nakla. 2 shots for Sawaya. First throw for number 1, 24-26, 2-point lead, Mikey David. Second throw, number 4, too strong. Ball goes to Atarwala. 10 seconds to shoot. Colelia, fire, shot, rebound. Ferrer. Rohit. Rohit, strong to the basket, connect for 2 points. Deadlock all 26. Dula to Colelia. Colelia back to Dula, number 28. To Atarwala. And now he's traveling, just dragging his feet. Naklau right now, received by Evangelista, number 10. Number 10 to number 4. To number 17. Back to number 20. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Al Nakla from the corner, in and out. Passive rebound by Rohit. And there's a whistle. Upon the shot, number 11 was called. Number 11, that was your first personal foul, first inbound, first throw. Basket. Second throw.
Score 27-26.
Missed by Rohit. Basic rebound, Al Nakla, too strong. And ball goes out, same ball, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 10, Evangelista on the inbound. Evangelista looking someone to pass. And almost still. And this comes Sawaya. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Atarwala. Atarwala looking for someone to pass. To Colelia. Shot. Air ball. Ferrer on the inbound, received by Evangelista. Back to Ferrer. Ferrer. To Evangelista. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Evangelista. Missed the shot. Rebound, Al Nakla. Another 14. Pass to Rohit. 10 seconds to shoot. Rohit. 5 to shoot. Number 55. Wala. Passive rebound by Rohit. Still missed the shot. Rebound Colelia. Pass to Sawaya. Sawaya. Tukasal kay Atarwala. Block by number 55. Rohit. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista. Pull up jumper. Connect for 2. Kulenya out the inbound. And a tap out by Atarwala. Resulting to a turnover for Mighty David. Here's Evangelista, wearing jersey number 10. Even picked by Ferrer. To Rohit. Rohit, pull-up jumper, connect for 2. 31-26. 5-point lead, Young Vikings. Atarwala. And a little bit too strong for the pass. Managed by Sawaya. Sawaya got it by Al-Nakla. Same ball. Sabret. Okay, Eugenio will check in again for Dula. On the ball. Sawaya on the inbound. Pass to Kulela. Back to Atarwala. Pass! Rebound! 31-29. Perez throws to the basket. Getting a foul.
Score 31-29. 31-29 ng Vikings.
That was Castañeda. First personal foul and second team foul, Mighty David. 2 shots for Perez. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Too strong. Rebound. Kulela. Pass to Atarwala. Atarwala. Harassed by Ferrer. Pass to Kulela. Back to Sawaya. Sawaya. 14 shot clock. Almost a steal. Kulela. 10 seconds to shoot. Atarwala. And ball goes out. Shot clock. 8 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. 8. Eugenio on the down. Sawaya. 5 seconds to shoot. Kulela. Air ball. Al-Nakla on the down. Pass to Yuan. Evangelista. Evangelista. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer. Nice pass to number 55 for their big man. Nice play for the Young Vikings. Here's Fabio Eugenio. Pass to Atarwala. Atarwala. Harassed by Al-Nakla. To Sawaya, 14 to shoot. Sawaya fires. Air ball. Rebound by Al-Nakla. Here's Al-Nakla. Strong to the basket. Didn't touch the ring. Here's Kulela bringing down the ball. Tap from behind by Al-Nakla. Recovered by Atarwala. Pass to Kulela. And almost, but there's a whistle. Foul number 4 on Al-Nakla. That was the first personal foul, third team foul, Young Vikings. 2 shots for Kulela. First throw, lucky bounce, good for 1. Second throw, just the shot. Rebound by number 55. Pass to Rohit, on the corner to Yuan, Yuan picks. And looking someone to pass, and it's steal by Eugenio. Eugenio to Sawaya, Sawaya drive, connect for 2. 34-32, 4-point lead. Still for Young Vikings. Perez. Short. Here's Atarwala. Here's Sawaya again. Connect for 2 points. Again, we are tied at 34. Evangelista trying for the 3. Yes, sir! Kapatay sunog.
for Yuan. 37-34.
Atarwala. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio. Running shot. Too strong. Ball goes to number 55. Pass to Rohit. Rohit to Evangelista. Short. Basic rebound. Rohit. Got the ball from behind. Right as Tanjeda. Here's Cam Kulela. Bring down the ball. Kulela. Deadlock. All 47. Rohit. Fakes. Pass to Al Nakla. Another fake. Try. Connect for 2. 39-37. Here's Cam Kulela. And almost losing the ball. Recovered by Eugenio. Pass to Castañeda. Too strong. Rebound by Perez. Outside pass for Yuan. Nice pass to number 55. But there's a block right behind. 40 seconds to shoot. Perez. Ilana. Big rebound number 55. Connect for 2. Okay, timeout in Western 5. Magic David.
Score 41-37 Young Vikings.
37. 4-point lead. Okay. Matty David ball. Kulyala on the inbound. Received by Atarwala. Pass to Sawaya. Eugenio. Wala. Save. And out of bounds. Same ball. Eugenio receiving the ball. Pass to Atarwala. 10 seconds to shoot. To Kulela. Kulela. Short. Rebound. Rohit. Rohit. And nice pass to LJ. Connect for 2. Sawaya. Moving the ball. Number 3. Rebound by LJ. LJ. Guarded by Eugenio. And a whistle. Traveling. Okay. Kulela on and down. Pass to Sawaya. Sawaya. Pass to Eugenio. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No basket. Shot clock violation. Sayang. Maliit ng konti. Tequila on the inbound to LG. 2 minutes remaining. Perez, cross-court pass to Rohit. Even pick number 55. Rohit from the baseline. 10 to shoot. Perez. Lucky pass. Connect for 2. 45-37. Here's Atarwala. Atarwala. Spin. Fakes. Pass to Kulela. Kulela, pull-up jumper, block by number 55. Perez. Pass to number 55. Passive rebound, Rohit. And one play. Basket count. For number 21. Sige, Sam. First personal foul, number 21, 30 foul, Marty David. Bonus shot, Rohit.
Ang dami niyo sinetap eh. Hindi naman pala babagsak sa cellphone.
Okay, bonus shot for Rohit.
Score 41-37 Young Vikings.
Completing the 3-point
Score
play,
48.
48-37.
48.
11-48. And a foul was called on number 28, Rohit.
Score 48
Rohit, that was your
37
first personal
Young
foul
Vikings.
entering penalty. Substitution. Okay, Generoso will come back, will replace Pierre. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Sawaya receiving the inbound. Sawaya harassed by LJ. Sawaya 3 rounds for 2. LJ pass to Generoso. Generoso dribbling the ball, guarded by Eugenio. 55 seconds. Shot clock 14. Generoso short. Eugenio pass to Sawaya. This time Sawaya. Another 3 rounds too strong. Rebound goes to Dula. Dula pass to Baro. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Dula, losing the ball. Still by Tigria. And cover by LJ. 30 seconds. LJ pass to Rohit. This time Rohit. Number 55. Still missed the shot. Passive rebound again. Number 55. Rohit again for the putback. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. And a steal by Rohit. 5 seconds. Generoso, number 2. That's the end of the second quarter. Official score 52-39. 13-point lead. Young
What a
Vikings.
pass! 31. Score 52-39 yung Vikings.
Yang nakakasungkit ng kabinado dito sa ating laban. Okay! Eugenio, pass to Sawaya. To Barot, to Eugenio. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's even another 55, but touches on the line.
Ready.
Number 21 on the rebound. Fourteen shot clock. Two points, Generoso. 56-42. Out of bounds, Young Vikings ball. Shot. Holding shot clock. Out of bounds. Shot clock. Eugenio, 44. 12-point lead, Young Vikings. 10 seconds to shoot. Time. Michael David Paul. Rohit to Hinaroso for the 14. Steal. Mikey David, 60-44, 16-point lead, Young Vikings. Fourteen shot clock. 2 points. Hinaroso. Foul number 11. Second personal foul. First team foul. Left side. Shots for number 9. Missed the shot. Lambaya. You're heading for 2. Foul number 9, Yuhego. First personal foul, second team foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Another 14. Nasser. The shot. Rebound. Adarwala. Pass break to Soraya. Save ball, jump ball. Save ball. Biraj, Odinga. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound, Adarwala pass to Cornelia. Quintano, air ball. First down at Lambaya, pass to LJ. LJ guarded by Sawaya. With Lambaya, Mr. Shep, rebound by Cornelia. Cornelia fires short. Okay, Javier will check in, replacing Lambaya. LJ and then down to save by Hinaroso. 4 minutes remaining. Igaroso, the Perez. 40 to shoot. Hernandez, Pinagoti. Hernandez, number 18. Juvenco, pull-up jumper, in and out. About Hernandez. MJ, Castro Generoso, 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Javier, Steve, pass. Too strong. Rebound Caruana, pass to Quintano. Quintano to Sawaya. For the goal 64-15, 14-point steal for Young Vikings. Generoso, nice pass to Javier. Javier, Garage, over for three, too strong. Rebound again for Javier. 10 seconds to shoot. LJ, in and out. Rebound. This time Adarwala. Adarwala, nice bounce pass to Sawaya. 2 points. 64-52. 12-point lead. Still for Young Vikings.
Bilis.
LJ, nice pass out the lead. Blocked by Cornelia. Gustavo Darwala, pass to Quintano. Quintano, drop. Oh, there's a foul. Number 7, Biraj. Biraj, that was the first personal foul. First team foul, Young Vikings. 2 shots for Sam. Second row for Sam. Basket, 102, 64-51, down to 11 for lead. Moving the ball. Generoso, 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Ferrer to Pidia, short. Another put down, and there's a foul from behind. Or number 99, Atarwala. Second personal foul, 13 foul, 90 baby. 2 shots, Pidia. First throw, basket, 65-53. Second shot. Generoso. Out of bounds. Michael James ball. 1 minute 17 seconds. Sawaya pasal ke Cornelia. Atarwala on a good team. 65-55. That's a 10-point for Young Vikings. And out of bounds, same ball. Sigilla, outside down. Pass by Paulon Sawaya, number 4. First personal foul, entering penalty. Mikey Baby. 14 seconds shot clock. Then to shoot. 2 points, Sigilla. 1 minute. points, Hawaii. 50 seconds. And injury timeout. You're okay? Okay, let's go. .49 seconds remaining. 49. Shots left. 10 to shoot. Fast break. Battle. Tanuada. Hitting for 2 points. 67, 59. Down to 8.8. 15 seconds. A shot for Young Vikings. Guerrero to MJ. The Gia underneath. And number 11, Cordelia. That was your third personal foul. 2 shots for the Gia. Basket.
Score 68-59, Young Vikings.
Okay, end of the third quarter.
And
68-59.
68-59, Young Vikings.
Okay, start of the ball game, fourth quarter.
Okay. Sakto lang, right? Pag-usapan na ba nila?
Out of bounds. 17 seconds shot clock. To shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Ohio. Basket count. Foul number 21. Substitution. Number 21, that was your second personal foul, first team foul. Basket, completing the 3-point play, 71-61. Almost a steal. Steal by Rohit. To Guerrero. Guerrero is 16 points. Back to 1 dozen point lead for Young Vikings. First half LJ. That's the number 55. First half Ulenda. Pass to Varo. Atarwala. Wala. Rebound. By Guerrero. That's the LG. Just come. LG. Guerrero. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Aina, underneath it.
I'm out.
Rohit. 75-61. 75-61. 2 shots for Colella. First throw shot. Okay, official score 75-61, 14-point lead, Young Vikings. Second throw, correct. 75-62. Last throw. This is the third shot, 1 out of 3 for Colella. This time, Biglia all alone for the 4 points. 77-62. Atarwala. Next pass, Colella. And it's still by Rohit. Here's by Rohit. Easy 2 points. 79-62. Colella. Missed the shot. Ito, medyo nawala na sa focus. Okay, wala na timeout, Mikey David. Last timeout, Mikey David.
Score 81-62. Fourth quarter.
Nakalive ka?
Quickly. Tumukulit siyang kalabangan itong Young Vikings. Shot clock. Yuan, Regan, Tarwala. Tarwala, pull-up jumper. Connect 4D. Down to 70, 4D. Rohit, to Guerrero. To Biglia. Biglia, 2 strike, 40 to shoot. 2 points, number 55. Foul, number 55. That was your first sub-rep. Second personal foul, number 55. Second team foul. Young Vikings. First throw, good. So you won. Okay. Smashing everything, connect with 2 points. Colella, pass to Tula. To Castañeda. Castañeda, and it's still by number 55. It's got number 55, to Guerrero, back to number 55. Another 55, pick up for number 55. Iba na ang matangkad. This time, Atarwala, pass to Sawaya. Sawaya, block by number 55. This time, Al-Nahla. Nubuhi, Kumit 14. Nag-run na dito, yung Vikings. Nilubog na ng bahagya dito. Nag-delivered sa 4th quarter. Sawaya still missed the shot. Here's got Al-Nahla. And ball goes out of bounds. 89-65. 24 big boy lead for Young Vikings. Same ball. Win by the big man number 55. Getting a foul on number 99. Third personal foul. First throw, missed the shot.
Hindi na lang ibig yung referee. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Another steal almost. Castañeda, foul from behind, number 7. Viraj. Second personal foul, 13 foul, Young Vikings. First throw, connect to ball. Rebound, Tula. And ball goes up. Evangelista, 14 to shoot. 10, Viraj, Dusra, takes the rebound, number 55. Lamig, Castañeda, connecting the balls. Number 55, almost a tie. Number 55. 3 minutes remaining. Baro, Guadalajara, and a blocking foul, pushing foul rather, number 40, Javier.
Hindi ba sasama sa IYBC si Juan?
Okay, go. Baro, Dula, and out of bounds, symbol, shot clock, 40. Castañeda, wala, rebound, the big man, number 55. Number 55!
Pwede. Sabi mo, kaya na, isa pa.
Castañeda, fires, missed the shot, rebound, but not fire. Pass break, Fernandez, Evangelista, rather. Last 2 minutes. Dula, break for 2. Same ball, 1 minute 20 seconds.
Pakabiay mo, mami. Pakabiay mo.
Evangelista, all-day na. Tuwag na, pull-up jumper, break for 2. Technical foul, number 4.
Hindi ko alam.
Kumakas lang naman siya.
Baka ano, hindi ano niya.
At saka, hindi
Parang
pa
ano,
siya-
taga pinagsawan. Inangasan. gumanon.
Foul number 10, Evangelista penalty. First throw is for Guerrero. Second throw is strong. 1 minute remaining. Nakula. Number 2. 50 seconds. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. 45 seconds. Castañeda. Too strong. Barro. Number 2. 35 seconds. So guys, just be careful. Only 30 seconds left. Again. Is the shot. And foul number 14. Again, black foul. 2 shots.
Hindi ko maano.
Hindi ko nakita eh.
First throw. In and out for Barro. Okay, second throw. 20 seconds left. Still miss. Javier Rodriga. Still by Dula. Dula. Castañeda. 10 seconds. Foul number 28.
Ready na eh. Sisikat na sila. Sandali, di tapos.
Congratulations, Young Vikings, for winning the championship match against the Mighty David. Born 2010.
First time na 100 ah. Ano natin ang 101?
Score 101-72.
Highest score so far.
Okay, again, congratulations, Young Vikings.